Everybody, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to set up the contact us form that you can see on the theme demo of Boothster theme. To check out the demo, let's quickly head over to the demo of the Boothster theme. As you can see on the home page, there's this section for contact form, and below that you have all these fields and all the options. For that, you'll have to use the contact form 7 plugin. We have already provided you the file in your downloaded theme file. It has a separate section for all the required plugins. From there you can upload and install the plugin, but if you don't want to do that, you can also install it from the WordPress directory. To do that, quickly go to your dashboard, and in that section you have option for plugins, as you can see it here, and then just simply click add new. Okay, to add new plugin, the contact 7 plugin, simply write contact form 7 and hit enter. It's a free plugin that you can install quite easily. As you can see, it is, after searching for it, it is here. You can simply install it by clicking this install now button. It may take a couple of seconds, I guess. Yeah, so it is uploaded now. Click on activate plugin. Once it is activated, you'll have to create a new contact form, and for that, go to your dashboard again, and then this section is you'll have a new panel created here for contact, and when you click on it, you can see an option for contact forms for all the existing contact forms, add new and integration. We'll just use the add new button for now, so simply click on add new, and then you have this blue button over here. Click on that as well, add new, and then you have the form set up here to create a new form. Simply first you'll have to enter the name for the contact form. You can name it whatever you want to. For this tutorial purpose, I'll name it as home contact form. So I'll write home contact form and save it. Once the contact form is saved, it will give you this short code which we will be using on the home page. I'll talk about that in detail in just a moment. For now, you'll have to scroll down and set up this form. As you can see, this code over here, this code is for the fields in the contact form, and then you have this mail tab which you also have to set up. So first, let's get started with the form tab first. As you can see, this code is here, which is to create the different fields. When I say field, it means all these options, as you can see on the home page of the theme demo. So these all are fields. To create these fields, you have this form section where you can enter the code by and to create new fields, you can use all these available fields, as you can see here. But for the demo purpose, if you want to if you just want to create a form that look exactly like the theme demo, we have already provided you a form.txt file in the theme folder that you have downloaded, and you can just copy paste the code from there, and then just move on with the installation. Okay, we'll create a theme demo form, and for that we'll go to the theme folder, and from there we can copy paste the code. As you can see, this is the main theme folder. There you have this contact form 7 code folder, and then you have a form.txt file. Quickly open that, and then you can see it's a chunk of code over here which you can copy, and then go back to the form page, and then quickly delete the existing code and paste the new one that you have copied from the file. Okay, it is pasted here. Now click save changes. Now you'll have to set up the mail tab, which has all the details about where you will be receiving the emails from your customers, and in which format you will be receiving the information filled by your customers. For that, we'll have to fill in all these fields again, and for this field also, we have provided the file from which you can copy the code, but it is for message body only. But you'll have to set up all these fields, as you can see here, these four fields, and then below that you have the message body. this code we have provided in the file first, in the file. Okay, so we'll quickly go back to the folder again and find this mail.txt file in the theme folder, and simply copy this code in the file and go back to the mail tab and replace it with the code you have copied from the file. Okay, and then save changes. Make sure you have also selected this use HTML content type. This is for how you will be receiving the email. I mean, how the content of that email sent by the customer will be formatted in HTML language. So you should check on that and save changes. Now, as you can see, these four fields are also here, which you have to set up. The first one should be your email address, where you want to receive your customers' emails. So, for example, we'll use our email, which is alantheameswp@gmail.com. And then in the name, in this your name section, you'll have to um, you'll have to copy this text, which is customer's name. Okay, so just copy this text dash one text dash 462, copy that and replace it with this one. And in this section, it should be WordPress at your domain. For example, your website is yourdomain.com, so you'll just replace it with that. In this example, I'm using yourdomain.com. So whatever your domain or website name is, will should be here. So this email address should be WordPress at yourdomain.com. So you can replace your domain with your own website. For subject, you can enter anything you want. Let's say a photo booth rental query. You can basically subject it anything else you want, but for the demo purpose, I've set it up with photo booth rental query. Okay, the next thing is your email reply to. This is for if you want to reply to the customer who has sent you this email. This additional header setting is for that purpose. So here your email should be replaced with this code over here. As you can see, email dash 245, which is customer's email address. Simply paste it, and the mail form is perfectly fine, I guess, now. And then just quickly go to this save button over here and save it. Okay, so the back end of the contact form is set up now. Now we have to show it on the home page. As you can see, in this new demo that we are creating for the tutorial purpose, it says contact form 7404 not found, which is why, because we have not set it up in the theme option panel. So we'll quickly get back to dashboard, and then appearance, and then theme options, and below feature section, as you can see, the sixth option is homepage contact section. There you can see there are two fields for contact heading and contact description, and for selecting the contact form. So as you can see in the theme demo, we have this first heading over here. We will quickly copy it and paste it here. Then we'll go back again and copy this description text and paste it here. Now the form that you have created in the back end should be looking like this. And to show this form that you have already created, you'll click on this drop down menu, and it will show you your created form. We named it as home contact form, so we'll select the home contact form and then click save changes. Okay, that should be fine now, I guess. We'll quickly go back to the home page and refresh it. There you go. You can see the contact form is now loaded here, and all the fields and all the options are visible now. So the contact form is done. Your customers can select all these options, all these details, and write the message or text or special comment or request, anything they want to write here, and then they'll submit it, and you'll get that email that you have set up in the back end of the form. Okay, so now we'll quickly go to the footer section and set up this text that you cannot see here, because it is not entered in the theme option panel, and these social media icons as well. So to set up the footer of this theme, we'll go to uh, dashboard, and then again theme options, and there you have the footer section, as you can see here, the second last option, and then you have the first field for footer text, and these four fields where you can enter the URLs of your social media pages. So we'll set up the first field. You can write anything you want, but generally you see it is something like copyright 2015 allenthemes.com. Okay, and then you can enter the Facebook page of your company. For example, we'll just paste the main homepage of these social media services. For Facebook, we'll type www.facebook.com/http, twitter.com/https plus dot google.com, and then the last one is Instagram, instagram.com / your whatever your profile name is. Okay, so you can basically enter your social media URLs here in these sections, and simply save changes. We'll go back to the home page and see it if it is working or not. As you can see, the footer text is visible now. You can replace it with your own, and these social media icons are now linking to their respective URLs: Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and Instagram. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. With this, we will finish up the home page, middle section, and contact form, and we'll move on to in the next tutorial. We'll move on to these other pages: event photos, team, pricing, testimonials, frequently asked questions, blog about, and contact page. Thanks for watching.